Hendersonville. This will continue over the next several hours. In fact, a flash flood watch is in effect for part of the mountains until 7 o'clock tonight, as you are expected to get the most rain out of all of this, which is upwards of about an inch. On top of these brief heavy downpours expected this morning, we're also going to see some pretty strong winds right now between 15 and 20 miles an hour, but we are having wind gusts upwards of 30 miles an hour right now. That will increase as we go into the next couple of hours. Most of us will have wind gusts of 40, 45, maybe even 15 miles an hour as this line comes through around 7:30 or in Hendersonville. This will continue over the next several hours.